And firstly, I'd like to wish everybody a very happy New Year. जैसे कि आपने सुना, राजमाता ने काफ़ी आपको अपने वर्ड्स के थ्रू आपको समझाया, और I'm voicing the same thing what she has mentioned. Just like to add a few things. I'm very unhappy to hear about Sunil Diodharji's comments and hearing it from somebody who's never met me all his life. And the BJP, I must tell you, since the last 1 year, they've approached me at least 3 or 4 times and asked me to contest for them. They were literally begging me to stand as their candidate. And I said no, because I've been doing social work for a very long time. People who are here in Agartala know that despite my traveling, I'm here every single month, for a few days every month, maybe, but the kind of work I do is larger than that. And I've been working as a convener for INTAC, which is the International Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, and as a chairperson of Northeastern Region Development Association, and as a research scholar. This is my work, and I am bound to travel to different places. That doesn't make me any less a Tripuri. Maharaja Bir Bikram did his education in Shillong, and he traveled worldwide. He stayed out for months. Did that stop him from doing anything for Tripura? What is Tripura today? It has developed only thanks to the Maharajas, and this is visible to all. So by just accusing me of not being here without even knowing me, and people like Maharaj Kumari and others who know me very well, and just for the sake of the elections, if they can stoop down to such a level, such a low level, I'm very, very unhappy with these sort of statements. They are making a personal attack on me. Only a few months ago, when I had some programs with the government at the museum, I had organized a workshop along with the state government. I had to literally force them, that's another thing, on Tripura's heritage. Mr. Mewar and Ratan Lal Nath and everybody else, they were all praises for me. And a few months earlier, they had come to me and asked me to be their candidate. Then when I said no, they said no, but it doesn't matter. I said, see, we are a family of congressmen, and I do not want any conflicts within the family. So I've been doing social work, you need any help, I'll do that. But they said no, we're not.